Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and I am working on that living room that I told you about in the gigantic dollhouse. And I've already made a video on the template that I used for here, but this is the real color of the decorative paper for that wall. And now I am working on this side. Now what I plan to do, these stairs were not part of this house. I don't think so. But I want to make them part of the house by connecting them to the top of the stairs here. But of course you have to have somewhere leading to somewhere. So what I did was I took a magazine and I got a picture of like a hallway, like an entrance, and I cut it to the size of that piece there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this right on top of here, and it will blend in. It'll look like an area where you go in once you reach the top of the stairs right there. You see what I'm saying? So when you have the stairs here, you're going up the stairs, and who would know that that was a wall, right? It looks like you're going into another dimension of the house. So that's the idea for this here. Now for this wall here, I want to use brick paper. So I already cut my brick paper out, and I'm going to place it on the wall as we speak. And I'll show you right now once I affix it to the wall. I'll show you how it comes out. I want to make sure that it aligns perfectly. And I'm using double-sided tape. I don't like to use glue for decorative wallpaper. I don't know, it just gets messy. Okay, I want to make sure that I place this right along. Okay, right there. There it goes. Okay, so you see right there, there's a strip of brick wall. Now I have to use one of my stainless steel straws to kind of flatten this out, just so I can make sure that none of this is gonna come apart all the way down. And then I have my other piece, so I'm going to do that right now, just so you can see what it looks like. I want to do this pretty perfect, you know, when I align these papers against the walls here. Okay, so there we go. Look at that brick paper. So this is what I'm doing so that I make sure that the paper does not come apart. This is pretty strong tape, this double-sided tape. So I don't think it would be coming apart. So this is the progress. I'll fix those little corners over there, like that one. And I still need to do this side. I'm going to use this paper above the fireplace, but I'm not finished with this side yet. So that'll be a separate video, finishing it up. I did place a ceiling there that is an adhesive tile from the Dollar Tree. And I also have a Dollar Tree light here, but this is not the one I'm going to use here. I bought a set of remote control lights from Walmart, and that's what I'm going to use in this house. But this is so potent, this light. Look at this. If I had this light here, look at how bright it would look in this living room. Very bright. See the difference? So I do like this brick face paper. Alright, so stay tuned because I will come back with the final video on this living room. Thanks for watching.